Except for the automobiles in the background, it looked like a scene from Gunsmoke in San Angelo Tuesday afternoon. A Longhorn cattle drive passed from Fort Concho, west on Concho Street, and then north on Chadbourne, heading out to the Coliseum. The Longhorns are on their way to Lubbock with plans to pass through Stanford and Midland before reaching that city. The drive is part of an effort by Texas Tech to promote and commemorate the ranchman's heritage. Former Governor Preston Smith led the drive through the city with various other celebrities on hand. Crowds began to form along the parade route about 2 o'clock, but the cattle didn't pass through until about 3 as San Angelo police blocked traffic on Chadbourne Street. The Longhorns arrived in San Angelo late Monday night by truck and will be transported to Midland by truck also. John Robinson reporting for News Scope 8.